definitely. I didn't understand how big of an opportunity this was until I got here, and I've been shown so much new stuff. It's amazing.
They teach you a lot, and their confidence really gives you confidence too.
I'm just really lucky to have been given this opportunity to come here and work with these people.
I've seen a massive change in myself. Like I've grown so much since actually getting some first-hand experience, and it's just like this is definitely what I want to do.
Academi Bryn Williams, dwi'n cogydd yma yn Mhorth Eirias, o det ag allan yn Swistir yn y Cambrian Hotel. Mae'r Academi Bryn Williams yn gweithio llaw a llaw efo Coleg Cambria. Be dyn ni'n neud ydy gadlu bobl sy'n gweithio neu eisiau dod fel cogydd neu fel waitress neu waiter yn gallu mynd i'r coleg, gweithio fan'na, dod yma yn Mhorth Eirias am 6 wythnos dros y flwyddyn, gweithio yn y gegin, neu yn y tŷ bwyta, neud y coffi, gweithio tuol y bar, yn y gegin maen nhw'n gweithio ar y starters, y prif gwrs, y pudding a brecwast. So mae'n cael y cyfle i ddysgu yn y dosbarth yn y coleg, ond hefyd cael amser pwysig mewn tŷ bwyta proffesiynol sy'n agored bob dydd, gweithio'n gyflym. So mae'n gallu gweld y ddwy ochr o sgiliau. Sgiliau pwysig yn y dosbarth ac hefyd y sgiliau ar y llawr neu yn y gegin yn y tŷ bwyta. Pryd ni'n cael bobl yn dod ar Academi, dyn ni'n rhoi interview sydyn, sy'n gofyn nhw be maen nhw eisiau gwneud, pam maen nhw eisiau dod ar y cwrs. So iddo fi mae'n bwysig.
Oh, what it's like to be young again, eh?
Os gen ti egni a calon am dy waith, y dau peth mwyaf pwysig. Dwi'n methu dysgu hwnna, ond dwi'n gallu dysgu bob peth arall os i eisiau dysgu.
I enjoy everything about it, to be fair. It's different to college because when you're in college, you're learning, but obviously you've got a theory side, but here it's straight, you're thrown into the deep end, but in a good way. I enjoy it and it makes me want to come back because they know that you want to learn, and that's the best part about it.
So mae'n Academi hefyd, dio ddim jyst yn canolbwyntio ar y gegin, dyn ni'n canolbwyntio hefyd ar y tŷ bwyta achod ty blaen. Iddo fi mae'n bwysig fel, haid fi stopio meddwl just fel cogydd, perchenog ydw i wan, so haid fi feddwl mae'n bwysig fel y cogyddion da, neu plas da fwyd, ag y waiters yn mynd ar bwyd i'r bwrdd, ac hefyd i'r coffis ac y te ac y cocktails. So mae'n pwynt cael un dag ac un gwael ac un gwael un da. So mae'r ddau yn mynd efo'i gilydd. So mae'n bwysig i ni bod ni'n rhoi'r amser i bobl ifanc gallu dysgu ochr y gegin ag ochr y tŷ bwyta.
What's it like working alongside Bryn? Well, it's exciting. You're working with someone who's obviously done so much with what you want to do and want to help teach you and stuff, and it's inspiring, to be honest.
My responsibility to try to space it, stagger, because let's say they booked for...
Working alongside Bryn is just incredible, just to see some real award-winning work, some great creativeness and everything.
But chill, we can always do it again, do not worry.
Even with the other chefs here as well, it's just, they're so attentive and so nice, and especially if you're willing to learn, they're more than happy to teach you. And I just love that so much, and that I've learned so much since being here, honestly.
That's it. You can shout a bit louder, go on.
I did.
Go on, a bit louder. Not too loud.
Service, please.
Okay. Do you know what table it is?
Table 6.
Table 6. Good, enjoy that?
Working alongside Bryn is really, really inspiring, knowing that I get to work alongside someone who has award-winning skills. You really, really want to learn and absorb as much information as you can from him and his staff as well. What he's taught his staff, they will pass on to you.
Bryn's very caring, he really looks after you, he's very kind, he's got lots of tips and tricks to upskill and improve your service skills, and he really does teach you a lot. So I've been able to go forward and do things without hesitating or questioning myself because they've helped me and they've got me through it.
Mae'n gorfod gweithio hefo staff fi yma ym Mhorth Eirias. So iddo fi, mae'r tîm yn bwysig, dyn ni fel teulu, tîm, a mae'n bwysig i ni hefyd bod y bobl sy'n dod ar y Academi yn meddwl fel ni.
For advice for anyone who would like to be part of the Bryn Williams Academy is just take the opportunity, work hard, you will have to work hard, like the results are just worth it. Like if you can get into this, then I 100% recommend, and it's just a great experience and you'll really grow as a chef.
I didn't understand how big of an opportunity this was until I got here, and I've been shown so much new stuff. You know, it's amazing.